Are we on? What is up, beautiful people? Welcome once again to HN Clothing. Welcome to another wonderful video. Guys, we are back. If you did not know, go and tell your friend. Go and tell your soulmates that HN Clothing is back. So I just uploaded a new video. Here's the link to that video. That video is a very exciting one, especially if you like gist. I shared my experience with buying a new sewing machine, buying a second hand, and then realizing that the difference was not much and all of that. In fact, if you want more in-depth gist, go and watch that video. It's so juicy and interesting. Before we go into what we're going to be doing today, if you are yet to subscribe, please click the subscribe button and subscribe to this beautiful channel, this beautiful face. I know you've missed me so much. And then give me a huge thumbs up so that YouTube recommends this video to other people that will be in need of it. So why are we doing this video today? I actually wanted to know how to thread this sewing machine that I just got, but I was stuck at some point. And fun fact, this machine comes with a DVD, a sewing manual, and everything. I just had to follow the manual. But some of us are visual, not just visual, we like audiovisual representation of all these things. So it will make everything easier. I'm going to show you in depthly how to thread this machine just in case you're thinking about buying it. By the way, there's also a link in the description box for you to shop this machine directly and have it delivered to you. Okay, so this is the DVD, but unfortunately, most PCs, laptops do not have DVD players anymore. So I don't know what the use of this is, and I do not have a DVD to play this to actually watch the manual. That is why this video is essential and helpful, especially after you shop the sewing machine. So let's get right to the sewing machine and set this bad boy up. Okay, so the sewing machine comes with this pedal. We're going to put the pedal in, and then this is the thread we're going to be using. So first things first, you have this. This goes to the side of the machine. Here is where we put this in. So we see 3 holes there. You fix that in there. And then this pedal has a plug. This plug goes to your socket, and then this is where you press on to sew. Your foot presses on. So we're going to put this to the socket. Okay, so after this is fixed here, there's the button here, the on button, and once you click this on, this light comes on. So coming closer, there's the bobbin. The bobbin is a drop down bobbin. We're going to open this up and bring out the bobbin. We are going to now wind the bobbin. I'll show you how to go about it. Taking your thread, so ideally you need a thread that can fit into this thread spool here. But because we do not have that tiny one, I have this larger thread. Make sure you're using a very good quality thread. I'll just place my thread behind here, and I'll pass it just round the spool here to help give it some kind of like hold. So the next thing is pass your thread through this point, you see, and then go round that. Okay, once you've done that, you take your bobbin and pass the thread into this hole. I'll need to snip the thread to be a bit spiky and sharp. Pass the thread into this hole here. So once it comes out this way, right, place this thread, this right on, this is where you use to wind your bobbin. Push it a little down and then press to the right. So it clicks. You shift that to the right and it clicks. So just hold this a bit, and then you press your foot, your pedal. Put your foot on your pedal and press. So once you wind just a bit, you see that some threads have been wounded up there. We can snip this to just a bit long, and then you continue to wind. Take note of the direction. This thread goes behind, not in front. Continue to wind. So once it gets full, the thread doesn't move anymore. It stops. So no matter how much I press this, it doesn't move again. That tells me that it's full. Then I can move this back forward to the left. Move this back to the left. Remove your bobbin, snip the thread, right? And this is it. So we are going to now place this thread into the bobbin hole. So for this, I'll need a pin to help this process easy, and then this bobbin. So look at the thread. You see the thread is coming from behind. Place this into, drop it down into the bobbin area. Take the thread. Now coming closer, you'll see that there's like a demarcation here. There's a demarcation here between these two metals, these two silver metals. So I'll just use this pin to make sure that the thread passes through the demarcation. Okay, so now you see I've used the pin to gauge the thread to pass through that demarcation. I hope you got it. So it's snug and fits there. Okay, so this is what we'll do. We'll leave it now just like this. Let's pass the thread at the top. For the thread at the top, I'll just remove it from this place that we twisted. So because I am still using that my big thread, if you're using the smaller one, put it on the thread spool and continue. But because I'm using my big thread, I'll just let it go across there. Now, make sure it passes through here. Then take it all the way down and let it go underneath there. Lift it up. Now you can see this here, right? You can, if it's not showing, move your you're going to move this if it's not showing. So when you move this, it turns. So look at this. Let's come back here. So when you move it, you see it goes up or down. So now it's up. We see it. Then we'll take the thread and make sure it goes in between because there's a hole there. So by the time you put it well, you see that it doesn't just hang loosely. It hangs there. Now take it down and then into this part here. Take the thread, pass it in there. Awesome. Finally, we can now thread the needle. So to thread the needle goes to the back. So you pass the needle from the front to the back. Okay, so pull the thread out. All right. Awesome. So once you have a good hang of it, roll that place, roll it. So once you roll it, you're gonna push the thread down. Like rolling it makes the needle go down, and then it picks up the bobbin. So roll it again. You see, it picks up the thread and the bobbin and makes it come out this way. So we have pulled it out this way, right? And now you can pass both threads, lift up the presser foot, pass both threads underneath, and we can fix this back in. Boom. So we're ready to take this for a test run. Okay, so we are going to use this to test this placement. Place this underneath and pull put the presser foot this place, just push it down and it sits well. So put your leg on the presser, on the pedal, and start to sew away. Now this is for back stitching, right? And go forward. Yep, that is basically it. To adjust this width of the stitch, I will move it to 2. Let's sew on 2. Now let's compare the sizes. Okay. So here, more tinier, compact compared to here, a bit wider and looser. So depending on the kind of project you're working on will determine the size of the width of the machine stitch you use. All right, guys, so we have come to the end of this beautiful, wonderful video. If you did find value in this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Remember, I have links for you to shop in the description box. You want the sewing machine, you want the scissors, you want the needles, and much more other things, other items that you need to begin your sewing project. Okay, so enough of our gist. Please do not forget to subscribe if you're yet to, and give me a huge thumbs up. Yeah, that's about it. All right, guys, so we'll see you in the next tutorial. Stay safe. God bless you all. Bye.